For now, let's create a section with 3 elements, and yeah, you can delete this section right now as we do not need it. And then you can go to this 9 dots and you can search for premium banner, and you can click on it and drag it here. Now you'll see that this is something like an image slider which looks very cool, and you can choose your image size, which we should make full, and it is fine. And you can choose the effect. So there are 6 effects right now. You can go and check each of these and you can select the one you like. And for me, I like this effect number 4. So I'll just select this effect number 4. I can go to link and I can select and turn on custom links. And what this does is it helps us to send people to a specific page whenever they click on this. And if you just want to link them to some normal page which you have already created, you can just disable the custom link and you can select your page here. Right now this is a shop page. We can go and click on it, and then you can see that when we update it, and in the new tab, if we go to our website, you can see that whenever somebody will click on this, he would be redirected to our products page, which is fine. Now let's go ahead and make some changes to it, add some images. And I already told you that where you can find royalty free images and everything. So I'll just skip this step. I'll just download some images and I'll get back. Now I have uploaded all the images here, and first section would be of laptops. So I'll just hit it and click on insert media. And as you can see, a banner has been added, but you will see that the text below and the title text is not clearly displayed here, and we'll make some settings to make it look better now. And also you can hit this new tab toggle button on, because it helps in increasing your retention of your website. And then we have done the technical things, and now move ahead and do the styling of this text and this background. As of now, we want to display the text clearly, so we can keep the background a bit black. So we can go ahead to this background color option, we can click on black. You will see that nothing changes because the image opacity is 1. And if you toggle it a bit back, you can see the effect on the website. Now I think 0.8 would be fine, and the hover opacity to 0.4 or 0.3 would look much better. Now you can see the border radius, and we don't have to do much in this. Let's go to the title and modify these things. I want to make my title white, and we can choose the typography to Montserrat or Poppins, whatever we like. And then let's increase the text size to something bold. And as you can see, it looks much better right now. You can also go ahead and add a shadow, which clearly helps in making it unique. Go to color, hit black, and then increase the blurriness a bit to around 30, and then you can see it looks much better. Now you can go and also you can add a weight which would make the text a bit more clear. Now as you can see, the text is bold, and right now we don't want this description, so we can just go ahead and remove the description in the content tab. You have to hover down and you can go to content, and you can just remove all these, and then you will see that your content is not being shown here. And we have done everything we need. Now just we need to add the text. To add the text, you have to go to this title option. You have to just give whatever title name that you would like to give. As you can see, I have given it the name as laptops, and I'll go and make this text center aligned. Now you can see our text and our hover over screen and all these things look much better. Now an interesting thing for all of you. So I challenge you to copy this section and paste it here and here. So just pause the video, copy and paste these, and then resume the video to see that how you can do this. I hope that all of you would have been able to do this. But if not, no problem, you can keep trying and you'll learn WordPress very easily. Now to copy these, you have to just right click on copy, and then you can just paste these, and this saves a lot of time. Now you can go to this tab, you just have to change the images and text and you're done. I'll just change this text. I'll go ahead and make it mobiles. And I'll just go ahead and make this other gadgets or other electronic accessories. Other electronic accessories. And yes, now you can see our website looks much clearer. And if you feel that these texts aren't very clear right now also, you can just go to this style tab. You can go to this image opacity, and then you can reduce it. And I'll just make it 0.6, which would make it look much better. Then you can just hit update, and let's go ahead and see that how this will look on a mobile device. And you can see that our website gives a very cool and modern looking look on a mobile device. But now you can see that this other electronic accessories text is much bigger and it isn't being displayed when we hover over it. So if we want to just remove it, or if we want to make the text small, just go to title and go to typography and just reduce its size. And yes, this looks fine. Now just hit update as we have completed the section. If we want, we can go ahead and add a padding on top and bottom. And now we have added the padding. So let's go ahead and create the next section. So our next section is going to be a bit more interesting. So in that, what we can do is we can have two tabs in which the first one displays a list of the recent products which you have added, and the second tab can display the best selling products that are there on your website. Now you would be thinking that we would have to go into a lot of code to achieve these things, but no, this would be very easy with WooCommerce. So now let me show you that how we can do it.